That sight right there triggers a pure panic response. Your first instinct is to grab the strongest chemical you can find. Stop. Do that, and you'll likely make the problem worse. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn the safe, effective, and permanent way to eliminate them for good. Before you clean a single thing, you must understand this. These are not random worms, each one is a baby fly. And a fly only lays its eggs in one place, a prime food source. So if you're seeing this, it means you have something rotting that you haven't found yet. The maggots are just the symptom. The rotting material is the disease. Miss the source, and the mother fly will just come back and lay hundreds more. This is a search and destroy mission. Your most effective weapon isn't a toxic pesticide. It's probably already in your kitchen. For most situations, you only need 2 things: boiling water and salt. But the order of operations is critical. Don't spray them yet. Take a disposable item, like cardboard or a paper plate, and physically scoop the majority into a sealed plastic bag. Immediate population control. Carefully pour boiling water over the epicenter. This kills remaining maggots instantly and sanitizes the surface. While the area is still wet, pour a generous layer of salt. Salt pulls all the moisture out of any tiny eggs or larvae you missed, dehydrating them to death. Leave it, then vacuum it up later. Right now you might be thinking, why not just use bleach? This is a critical mistake. Do not use bleach on maggots. Here's why. Bleach is mostly water. Its strong smell can suffocate them, but it's not a guaranteed kill. On a large mass, you create a toxic, soupy, and still active mess. It's ineffective and hazardous. Save bleach for disinfecting the area after they are all gone. For severe infestations in places like trash compactors, a pyrethrin-based insecticide spray is effective. But remember, safety first. Gloves, mask, ventilation. And this is non-negotiable. You must still find and remove the source. The spray only kills what's there now. Eradication is only half the battle. Winning the war comes down to this one trick: starve them out. They are there for one reason: food. Take away the food, and you take away the problem, permanently. Use bins with tight sealing lids. This is the #1 rule. Hose out and disinfect the inside of the bin regularly. Keep compost sealed, freeze smelly waste like meat scraps until trash day. A dead rodent in the wall, spilled juice under the fridge, a forgotten bag of potatoes. Be a detective. Everything we've covered applies to a standard infestation. But if the problem is inside your walls, under your floorboards, or worse, if you suspect it's a dead animal carcass you cannot access, or the scale is overwhelming, stop immediately. This is a biohazard. This is no longer a DIY job. This is when you call a professional pest control service. Your health is not worth the risk. So, to permanently win, don't panic. Scoop, pour boiling water, use salt, and most importantly, find and eliminate the food source that attracted them in the first place. It's a disgusting problem, but it's a solvable one. You've got this. For more practical solutions to life's messy problems, subscribe so you're always prepared.